What is up, Cornucopias universe? I'm your host, Jake, and I'm here to bring you guys another Copi Cafe recap over Copi Cafe number 106. Stay with me. We have an epic upcoming sale for Cornucopias around October 15th. The date's not finalized, nor do we have the prices finalized, but we see a copious amount of NFT sales coming out. We're going to see them on both the Cardano and the base chain, and they're going to have the same quantities on both. Let's talk about some of the items in the upcoming sale. First is a jetpack. There's many different flavors. We're going to see the 0G Stratos Solus Explorer Special Edition. It's going to be in Legendary. Then we're going to see the 0G Stratos Jetpack, which is going to come in Rare. Then we're going to see the Randos Metalworks Junker Jet, which is going to come in Uncommon. The rarer the item, the less available, and the higher the price. For the backpacks, we're going to have the Cargo Outfitters Titan XL, which is going to come in Rare. Then we're going to have the Blackhorn Tactical Outlander, which is going to be in Medium, and that's going to be Uncommon. And then we're going to have the Corn Cuties Grizzly Purple Fury and Grizzly Brown Brawler, both in Medium, and both are going to be Rare. For the apparel, first we're going to see for men and women Vanguard's Premium Apparel Set, which is going to consist of a hat, an outfit, and shoes. That's going to come in Rare. Then we're going to see the Burger Barn Deluxe #1 hat, which is going to be Rare. And then we're going to see Quantum Jack's Seasonal Special Hat, which is going to be Common. For the vehicles, we're going to have Randos Metalworks Sunset Speeder, which is going to be an A-Class. Then we're going to have a Bubble Jet Super Phantom, that is going to be S-Class. Then we're going to have a Valkyrie F9R, which is going to be an S-Class. And then we're going to have the Atmos Juggernaut XL, which is going to be more of a utility vehicle, and it's actually going to be the highest priced item within the sale. All these items listed are going to come in 3 different phases and will not be available all at the same time. The sale is going to happen after the next build. The next build is going to feature some things such as the purple track, improvements to racing, new vehicles, and categories of vehicles. And if the team can get to it, they may add some new holo caches, but that's not a promise. So there's a lot of things coming, guys. For the node update, the team has integrated the game downloads into the launcher and are currently testing it. They gave us a list of things that they're wanting to accomplish in October to make sure that the nodes are successful and ready for us. Number 1, improve the download experience from moving away from AWS to the nodes. Number 2, integrating pool management functionality so you can delegate to pools. Number 3, begin to engage the community this month to recruit 10 to 20 pool operators for help. Number 4, updating the new node's performance dashboard. Number 5, defining the performance metrics to score the pool performance. Number 6, working on documentation for everything about the nodes for you guys to see. Number 7, working on features such as security and integration testing. Number 8, claiming your Copi rewards on either the Cardano or the base chains. The team does want Copi Utility. We will see some sales in the future utilizing the Copi token. We did get some updates over the jetpacks. We were told that they're currently being tested. There's a few tweaks that they're wanting to do, but overall, they're simply amazing. They're really going to help you get to those hard places on the maps. Now, they are going to hold different characteristics. Some will hold a longer charge, some will charge quicker, some will even let you fly higher. But ultimately, the team did tell us that they do want us to, at some point, be able to craft our own jetpack. So, lots of cool things. Let's get to community questions. Question 1, have you guys decided what all 12 zones are going to be? And do the 12 zones deal with the 12 different architects? All 12 zones have not been decided. Of course, some of them have been, but at some point the team would like to put to a vote for you as the community to be able to decide what some of the future zones will be like. And yes, the 12 architects are memorialized on each one of those zones, and obviously they're dead. Question 3, Question 3, what if the cow farts and fills the dome with carbon dioxide? Would it potentially explode it? Also, do we have to wear biosuits and execute the cows? We know for a fact there will be cows, but farting cows? Honestly, at this point, I kind of hope it works its way in. For this week's leak, we got to see some images of 2 of the new backpacks being sold. We're going to see both of them by Corn Cuties. One is going to be the Grizzly Brown Brawler, and the other one is going to be the Grizzly Purple Fury. They look epic. Alright guys, that is going to wrap up this episode of Cornucopias Universe, Copi Cafe recap over Copi Cafe number 106. I hope you guys enjoyed this content, and I hope to see you next week. Until then, stay corny.